I'm Phil, I review software. Very quick one for you today. Hope you're great. This one isn't an in-depth review. It's just that I've seen it doing very well on that site where we get great lifetime deals. You know the one I mean. So I want you to not miss out on it. So I'm going to run through the features. It's called Inbox. It's emails, but it does a lot more. Please stick with it, and I will go through it. But it's not in-depth, so apologies if you watch the video and feel a bit shortchanged. Before I jump in, just very, very quickly, do always click on my description. Always have a look at the price and the link, because it might be a bit of software you're not quite ready to buy yet. You think, no, I don't want that. But you click on the link and you see what it's going for, and you think, I've got to have it at that price, even if it's your business. And you're thinking, we don't need that software now, but we might need that in the future, and I don't want to pay for it every month. I want to get it on the lifetime deal price. So always click on the link, and if the lifetime deal link does expire, I hope this is making sense for people who don't know what I'm talking about, then I'll always update those links with the next best thing. So you'll always get a great deal by clicking on my links. Enough. Thanks for subscribing, by the way. Have you done it yet? Just click that subscribe button. Helps me. Cheers. Let's jump in. This is all about emails and Inbox, and let's go for it. So here is Inbox. Here is their dashboard. Apologies in advance that this is just going to be an overview of what it can do without really going into it, because I'll be totally honest with you, I just want to get it out there so you can see it. I've not spent the time really learning about how everything works, but we can have a look at Inbox, and this is their website. And you'll see that it is not just sending emails, because we've got things like Gmail for that. It is all about email marketing. Couple of points to tell you straight away. It's got a HTML tool and editor, so you can design amazing emails with pictures, with photos. You can design newsletters in it. The other thing is you can have multiple accounts. So if you have more than one business or different accounts that send different campaigns, you can link them all into Inbox. And all of them then, if you sign up and do it properly through Inbox, will comply with GDPR and all of those legal requirements. It's got a landing page builder built in so that you can create landing pages, you know. So do you want to buy this? Well, just click on this link and you can work out the right time to send. It does all sorts of stuff so you can optimize your email campaigns. And once you have got that data, because it's going really well, it will bring you campaign reports. Also, you can copy and paste emails into it, and it will make sure those emails are clean, because it's very important that your email list is clean and you're not spamming people, and those people are happy to get your emails. And it integrates with those apps. So if you use Shopify or Amazon, it will integrate with all of them. Here is the dashboard of Inbox. Apologies if this is a bit all over the place. There is your profile, your name, your email address. You can obviously link all your different email addresses and confirm then. Here are the contacts. This is your contact list. You can create a contact list and obviously add people to the contact list. I'm not going to go through it now, but it's very easy to add contacts. You can either do it individually. You can import things like forms, CSV files, or you can do bulk paste. And what's great about Inbox, it will verify all of those emails and give them a tick and make sure they are all safe. Here are your newsletters, and if you want to create a newsletter, watch the video first, because there's no point in me going through all the process now. You just click on create newsletter, create your subject, and it will give you a newsletter. Contacts, newsletters, reports. You can create forms that people can answer when you send them email. Landing pages is a biggie. Create a landing page. You will see very quickly, just if I do I'm just smashing the keys here to get it in English. Once you go to next, you have got all of these fantastic templates. Load more templates. There are lots of templates, so you can create landing forms for your business. Automation is in there. You can create a campaign. So when the campaign is empty, is opened, this will happen. And then when this happens, this will happen. And there it is. Your sender accounts, your custom fields, your webhooks, and you can link payments. I'm sorry. I can't believe I'm apologizing to you, but I'm sorry. This is not the best in-depth review, but I just wanted to bring it to you very quickly. It's called Inbox. Two things I suggest you do with this one is, number one, just go to the Inbox website and sign up. You can have a free account and up to 500 contacts for absolutely free. And if you ever play with it and you think, I like the look of this, then get to the deal, the magic deal, and get it bought while it's still on a lifetime deal, and you won't be having to pay monthly subscription. I feel a bit bad about this one. I'll probably send it up there, and you can feel free to comment and tell me how that was a bad review. I was saying there before, I haven't got an Inbox list. I haven't got emails. Maybe someone can help me set one up, so I can start gathering emails from my YouTube channel, because I do see it as a valuable thing I'm going to need as I grow my business. So I wouldn't use it now, but if you have got a business that sends out email marketing campaigns and you need to manage your email lists and make sure they comply with GDPR and all that stuff, then yes, it's a good bit of software, but I've not used it in depth. So disclaimer, try it yourself on the freebie. If you like it, get the lifetime deal. Thanks for watching the video. When I've got more time, I will make a better one. But hopefully you will see the funny side. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you for another one soon. Take care.